Hey there! So you're looking to make some new friends? Well, you've come to the right place. Making new friends isn't always easy, but with a few tips, you'll be well on your way to having a great social life. The first tip to making new friends is to get out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try something new and meet new people. You never know who you might meet and what kind of connections you can make. The second tip is to be open and friendly. Smile, make eye contact, and be willing to engage in conversation. People are more likely to open up to someone friendly and approachable. The third tip is to join a club or organization that interests you. This is a great way to meet people who share your interests and passions. The fourth tip is to be yourself. Don't be afraid to show your true colors. People will be more likely to connect with you if you're genuine and authentic. The fifth tip is to be patient. Making friends takes time, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. So there you have it, 5 tips to help you make new friends. Now get out there and start connecting.